Hi everyone, I'm Shelby, an educator here with Crystal Cove Conservancy. As you're trying to figure out how to answer your questions about your model, you might have decided to look up information online. However, as coastal engineers, we want to make sure that we know that the sources we are getting information from are accurate. So what can we do? In order to check our sources and to make sure that they seem accurate, we like to use a process called lateral reading. When you're casually looking at an article or watching a video online, we tend to do what is called vertical reading. This means we only focus on the information within the source. If the site has a professional layout and is seemingly good information, we assume that that information is valid. But a problem arises because it has become increasingly easier for a site to look professionally done and trustworthy, even when it isn't. Professional fact checkers have learned that you have to look outside the website to check the credibility of online sources. We call this type of reading lateral reading. To read laterally, instead of looking at information on just one website, we check and confirm the sources and information within the original source through other websites and articles. To do this, you'll perform 3 additional searches. You might search the author or creator to see what else they have written and their background or credibility on the subject. You can also search any experts quoted in the article and search for the website or publication that originally published the article or produced the video. And don't always trust the first link on the very first Google search that you conduct. Remember to check a few different ones. Going through this process of lateral reading will help you check and confirm if the information is credible, if it's absolutely not credible, or if there are any perspectives or bias you should take into account when analyzing the information. When you're ready to give it a try, move on to the next slide and I'll show you a demonstration on how this works.